Hello and welcome to a new video on JS. Today I will open just an extra booster because I feel a bit sick, so I don't want to make a long video. So this is a Weiss Schwarz extra booster and the title is Hinalogic from Logic. So I think they put card in this out from the Logic anime. When I remember correctly, I opened already a Logic booster on my channel. If you want to see that, you're free to take a look at it. So, then as usual, 6 booster packs per extra booster. So and it calls it Vol.1. I saw that there is a Volume 2, and if there are nice cards in it, then I think I want to get Volume 2 too. It's a long time ago since I opened up an extra booster. So then what I see here, there is a extra card inside. So a girl in a bikini, my localist, it says on the top. So then this is a Logic card. So then this is what the booster packs look like. And what can we get here? There are 5 different SP cards available. Then 50, I think, just the foil, the normal cards as foil ones. Then 5 different double rare cards, 12 different rare cards, 13 different uncommons and 20 different common cards. So I think there was 2 of those foil cards per pack, just the normal cards in a foil version. So, starting off with a girl in the onsen. Then I think this is the girl that I got previously as a Logic card. Having some lunch. So then the first uncommon card. It's a very happy looking girl. So then the first rare card, and not foily. I think that's usual in Weiss Schwarz. Very cute. So then the normal card as foils, as I said. This one looks very nice. I like the background. And then a foiled rare card. A girl in a bikini. So I can say the arts are very nice. Already like that. So and now I got the normal version of this nice card. The first climax card. This girl is holding a shiny card in her hand. So then the next uncommon card. She looks very interested in something. Then the second rare card. Very awesome card. Like that artwork. So then again her. This time eating another lunch. And again a foiled rare card, very nice. To this point in every pack, one foiled common card and one foiled rare card. Let's see if this continues. She has something frog-like on her head. This girl looks like she knows what she wants. So then, don't know, looks some kind between. She's like in an onsen and her sleeping down. It's the uncommon card. And then as the rare card is a girl that aims for something with this scope. Oh, where did I put this? The rares are here. That's actually a nice looking card. Really like that. As a foiled common. Oh, that's awesome. A double rare card as a foil one. Or is this just a usual double rare card? Can't tell. But it's the girl that likes to eat lunch. In some kind of a Kantai collection nearly outfit. Really like that. And some kind of a student. Then this card that I got before in foiled. Ah, that's also a very nice looking card. I like those cards with these white flowers in the background. And then as the next rare, again her. Looks like she's the girl that I got the most here. Then a foiled common, a girl in a bikini. And this time an uncommon card foiled. For the first time a guy, and he's very enjoyed. Oh, I nearly cut inside the cards. Hope there's no damage. Think looks good. And then the next of these nice cards. On the booster pack are 6 different girls, and at this point, or just now, I got the 4th. So then 2 left. Oh, and then a double rare card, very awesome looking. So then these are the normal double rare cards, and this was the foiled one. Really awesome. So I don't know if this card here only counts as the foils, or if I will get a normal foil, something like a SR. I know there are no SRs or triple Rs. And then a foiled uncommon card. She's in a very interesting costume. So then already the last pack. I think the expectations are not too high now. I got a double rare and a foiled double rare. So the chance for a SP card is nearly like 0, I would say. Then the second climax card, 2 commons I got here. And then again this guy, and she's not very amused about this. Then my last rare card. She's thinking about something really nice. Then one of those cards as a common foil, and the last is this card here, I think also out from the Onsen, as an uncommon foiled. So then let's see. I think I will show just again those two. The double rares. One as a foiled one and one as a normal one. So those double rares are really awesome, just like them. So I think I will get the volume 2, but I think it will just released in April, so still some time to the next time of those. So this was my opening from the Weiss Schwarz Extra Booster Hinalogic from Luck and Logic Volume 1, and see you next time.